how cold is not enough.
If intentions are right, then everything is correct. So our intentions should be, so this is very good thing. I now realize, I now remember to discuss with you that the same thing, like if somebody is helping you, right? If somebody is helping you, in the same gesture, we do not know the intention behind him, right? If suppose a girl is going somewhere and a boy is helping her, so we do not know the intention of this guy. It may be good, it may be bad. So if it is bad, then that deed, whatever he is doing, is not good, right? So intention matters, not the thing what we do. Don't limit yourself of the poor or rich, and don't pamper yourself. If you want to change any discipline, just discuss with your parents and you can do whatever you want to do. With parents also, see, I am telling you, parents are not your enemies. See, just one thing you can keep in mind, parents are not your enemies. You can spend a lot of time with parents to discuss whatever you want to do. And one day they will agree with you if you are right. Try to convince them logically. You are all intelligent boys and girls, so I am confident that you will use logic, intellectual matters to discuss with anybody, right? These also persons, like if some person is good or bad, do not indulge in that only. If he is bad, if you do not like him, or if his habits are not matching with you, just try to avoid him. Don't fight with him. Don't tell that now onwards don't talk to me. Just depart happily. Just depart happily, and try to slowly reduce the contact and try to avoid him. He may know that you are avoiding, but it's okay. It is your life. See, one more thing I am telling you, don't spend a single second, a single moment without your willing. This is your life. Every second is yours. Don't spend anywhere forcefully. Don't spend with anybody, anywhere forcefully. It is your life. Use your intellect, how to tackle. Use tricks also, no problem. Use tricks, anything, whatever you do for the good. Whatever this girl has told me in private, that intention, this is very good thing. Whatever you do, if your intention is good, if you are using tricks also, no problem. Like we have heard that Krishna Bhagwan was using tricks and he won the battle by using tricks, right? But it is okay, it is like debatable, but we can do whatever if our intention is good. So we cannot replace our children, parents and siblings and all. So this is all you might be facing in your routine, but deal with that. You may have so many issues in the future also.